Hi everyone, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. So myself Vinay Yadav, I'm here to take my initiative of completing 30-day challenge speaking non-stop English for 5 to 6 minutes on any certain topics. So for today our topic is how to make our day productive. So every day we wake up in the morning and we have certain tasks to be done at our end, and there are some scenarios that we are being targeted on daily basis. So the question is, are we able to make our day very productive? Are we able to design our day the way we actually wanted? So all these things are going to be covered in today's this session. So let's get started. So first of all, we must be aware about the thing that what are the tasks that we need to done that we are going to work for today. So it's always a better practice to you once you will have your idea of that what we have to do. For example, if it is written on the paper or it is somewhere on your laptop screen, so you will be able to see it appropriately and deliberately. You will be able to start working accordingly. If it is not in your written something, your mind is very volatile. It is going to be vanish out for some time, and ultimately if you your day is gone and you will remember that this task was not done yet. So to avoid these things, we must be clear that our tasks are written sequentially according to the prioritize wise. For example, every work is not that priority. Sometimes our some work is very at high priority that needs to be done for at any cost. So that must be start by you at the earliest, right? Likewise, we are there. There are certain rules that if you can follow, which can make our life productive. For example, if you are out of procrastination, not able to perform your work, so our mind is trained in such a way that if you are doing something productive, so it will always ask you to do exactly the same productivity. It will ask you to. It will help you to to be in the same flow. For example, if you are not doing a productive work, you are just sleeping or you are just getting procrastinated, and you are not performing well throughout the day, so your mind will get in the same zone again, and it will start uh, pushing you to be in the same zone, and it will suggest more ideas that leads to procrastination. So similarly, we have to cut that zone actually. Or suppose if you are not using your day wisely and you are just scrolling reels on Instagram, and you are just being indulged in some other activities that is not going to lead any productivity in your life. So what you have to do is you just make yourself ask your body to give alerts at every instant, for most of the time, so that if you are scrolling reels for most of the time, if your brain gives you a signal of for fraction of seconds as well, just to cut off the whatever you are doing right now, just get rid from those zone and start doing some productive work. Not for much time, just plan that you have to do for 5 minutes only. Because if your target is very small, your target is very achievable, so your mind is going to your mind will be ready to do that task. For example, if you are throughout the day, it is suppose you already it is 4 p.m. and half of the day, more than half of the day has already gone. Now you have done nothing. So you will see that already the day has gone. Let's we'll start from tomorrow fresh. This is not going to happen. What actually you have to do is at 4 p.m. as well, just ask yourself that start doing some 5 minutes task that is going to help you. For example, reading books, or take some for example, if you are a student, just make yourself that I will just study 5 minutes for this topic only, right? So what will happen is, since you have get rid from those zone that was leading to procrastination, now you have come to the new zone, that is your meaningful lifestyle. That is you are going to study some theories for 5 minutes. So now you are already entered into the new bus. What will happen is, since you have mentioned that you will study for 5 minutes only, but your brain has got new signal that now you have gone into the productivity zone. So your mind will start saying to you that it will start releasing some hormones that will lead to make some more meaningful productive work. So in this way, you will train your body, and you will change your lifestyle. So start implementing these things, because this is not going to happen in one day. Because since these are you have to take acquire these things in your habit for daily basis. So make sure that these things are going to be acquired already in your body. It you have Suppose anything is very difficult for you now, you will have to make it habitual for your body. Since if you are able to make it habitual, your body is going to function automatically. You will not have to put more efforts into the same thing. And again, other part is, you will have to take care of your body. Make sure that every day you train your body, or go to gym, or go to for some do some exercise at your home as itself, or do some yoga, because it is going to help, and it is going to purify your heart, your inner strength, and it is going to make you start fresh on next day. Also, it will boost your confidence again. And these are the things that is going to help you to develop you as a great human being with the passage of the time. So make sure you are going through all these things. Also make sure that whenever you perform some task, make sure to take some short break also, because if you will start continuously doing something, it is not going to help you much, because your productivity is going to be reduced for some time. So make sure that you are taking proper break, not much break, but yeah, still 5 to 10 minutes also it is going to work properly, because within this 5 to 10 minutes your body is going to be relaxed. You will going to start fresh. Your creativity has been increased now. Now you are ready to start and function the task again with fresh energy. So make sure this you are performing all these tasks every day. You are writing the things what you have to do. Make sure what proportion of the task has already been done, what proportion is need to be done for tomorrow. All these things if are listed, you are going to perform well. Also, at last, since we prepare for examinations, we study 6 to 7 months and we give exams. At that time, teachers are there that evaluate our question paper and award us marks accordingly. Now we have to take charge of everything. We need to take monitor everything at our own self, at ourselves. So before going to bed, ask yourself whatever you have planned for today, are that tasks are completed? Are you on track? Are you on progress? Have you completed some percentage of those tasks? Okay, so this is going to make your habit, into your habit, and it ultimately you are going to improve your lifestyle every day, because learning is it is not going to come in one day. It is a lifelong process. You will start doing something. Your task has been divided into multiple tasks. Since same maybe the task is not going to complete in the same day, you will have to break those tasks into multiple partitions so that it is achievable in 1 day or 2 day. Likewise, you will get some confidence that yeah, you are on the track, you are progressing your work in the right direction. So similarly, you will achieve completing entire task that was, for example, let's say it is of 10-day task, you will achieve it in the same time period. But you will have to review everything, whatever you have done, is it going right or wrong. So as per that, you can take actions and you can improve yourself. So hope this video was meaningful for you. Thank you for watching me since 7 minutes. Yeah, today it was little lengthy. It's okay. So try to give your comment, your opinions and your reviews in the comment section. Also, you can provide some topics on which we can discuss further in coming videos. I will be much thankful to you. We'll meet you again in the next video tomorrow. See you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.